go. Going? Good. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Krista, and that's Kevin, aka Thumbs. And today we are making a New Year's cocktail, and we're gonna make it super easy because nobody wants complicated anymore this year. So you can enjoy this as a New Year's Eve cocktail and very light and refreshing, or you can use it as a New Year's Day kind of brunch kind of cocktail. So let's do this. Oh, it's called a French Spritz. Yes. I found the recipe on Pinterest and it looked really good. I haven't tried it yet, so we'll see. But of course it has to involve champagne, sparkling wine, whatever, because it's New Year's. So I'm gonna go ahead. What we have is some club soda. We have some Saint Germain, which is elderflower liqueur. No.
Easy for you to say.
Right. And then of course we have our sparkling wine. We have today a Prosecco sparkling wine from Cupcake. And I just love the little splits. I think they're adorable. Okay, what we're gonna start with first is 1.5 ounces of the liqueur. I think this is the most I've ever poured of this at a time. We're just putting it over ice. And then 2 ounces of sparkling water and Prosecco. And this is the fun stuff. Should I put in the sparkling water first or this Prosecco? What the hell is this? How do you take this off? Aw, that's lame. I wanted the pop for the show.
It's a screw pop.
It's a screw-on. Screwed up. Okay. We're gonna do 2 ounces of bubbly. Just insert popping noise.
That's a nice fizz.
It does. And then that gonna make the bloopers. Well, that was fun. Shh. Don't want to hear any more of your secrets. Be very careful when opening your club soda. Oh my god. That was more exciting than the champagne. Oh. Oh, cool. It's all over me. It's all over everything. That's a little heavy on the club soda, but that's okay. Just gonna pour these in. You can garnish with a twist if you'd like. I didn't buy lemons. Gonna clean this up. Grab a swizzle stick of your choice. Gently stir it because of the bubbles. We just want to incorporate the liqueur with the other liquids, but we don't want to disturb the bubbles. Let's see. Okay, it's not bad. It's not a syrupy, sickly sweet cocktail that I'm used to making, like pina colada. Actually, I don't know if I've ever made a pina colada on this show, which is dumb because I love pineapples and it's kind of a main ingredient. Anyway, I mean, it tastes pretty good. Would I drink it again? Yes. Okay. Will I seek it out? No. Will I finish this? Yes. So it kind of is in the middle range of, do I like it? Is that descriptive enough? It almost kind of tastes like if you blow out your nose, it tastes like celery. It leaves that.
It has a little bit of a berry taste.
Okay. Anyway, I hope you guys have a happy new year. Let's make 2021 better than it was. Subscribe. Is that what that is? Okay, that's the cue for subscribe. If you're new to our channel, do us a favor and go over and click subscribe. If you enjoyed this, while you're there, click the little bell saying you want to be notified every time we do one of these. Give the video a thumbs up if you found it entertaining. I just got club soda all over my shirt and kitchen for you. Please give me a thumbs up on this video. I love you all, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Yeah, blow out your nose. That flavor left in your mouth tastes like celery. Not my favorite.